Today we're gonna look at this Telegram client app called iMe. So we're gonna install this app. And by the way, by the end of this video, you will know how to solve the Telegram SMS fee problem using this very app. But first and foremost, we're gonna see its features, its capabilities, and you will consider whether it's worth installing in your phone or not. So we're downloading it from the Google Play Store. So now it's installing. Alright, then let's open the app. Alright, let's go next. Let's just skip this. Let's get started. So these are the premium features, iMe premium features. We have voice to text conversations, disabling ads, advanced AI access, to-do lists, passcode in chats, real-time translation, text to voice, premium app icons, synchronization, X to connected accounts, premium profile mark, stories displaying settings, premium support, then messages filter. So let's look at the premium. Alright, please allow iMe to receive calls so that we can automatically confirm your phone number. Okay, then let's allow the permissions. Alright, let's go to the country. So it's loading the messages. This is iMe. Alright, this is its display. It has a nice UI. So we're interested in the settings, and after we shall tackle the AI to see the AI features that it has. So when we come right here, profile, save messages, archive chats, contacts, calls. I think this is it. This is where you have the other features, the extra features, bookmark, AI chat. Then we have ads. We can launch ad campaigns in iMe. So you can run ads. You can start. So you can look at the campaigns that are active, or we can create an ad campaign. Then here we have the settings, the balance, appearance, support, policies and guidelines, privacy policy, then terms of use. So here we can open the bot, the settings, reload page, and basically that is it. You can close anyway. Then we have wallet. This is available on the official Telegram app. Then we have more features, to do. Let's look at the to-do. We can create a task. What would you like to do? Then here is the inbox. So let's go to the daily check-in. Here you can save up to 4.49 euros a month and claim your free iMe Premium for 24 hours with simple actions every day. So here we can claim. Let's try it out. So basically that is it. You just watch ads and you're given the premium package. So I know for some people that don't like watching ads, that they're not interested in, this won't work for them. So you just have to subscribe to the premium. Then we have Lime Game. Then we have music. So this helps in organizing your Telegram, in that you have a specific place where you play your music, because sometimes looking for songs in groups and all that, but this app organizes them for you so that you can play your music specifically somewhere. Then same applies to albums. Alright, proceeding to the settings, we have the iMe tools. So we have the main chat screen, then we have the recent chat, we have the search charts, we have the story options, we have the 3-dot menu, we have, okay, let's go to the story option. Okay, that's then the 3-dot menu, we have the menu items that want to appear, theme and all that. So what we don't want to appear, we just disable it. Okay, then we have chat folders. This is available also on the official Telegram app. Then we have the topics. Then we have bottom navigation. So we can include, because we already have AI chat, we have contacts, we have calls, we have chats, we have settings, but we can include wallet or to do. When I include wallets and go back, okay, when I go back, the wallet is right here, as you see, it's displaying. Okay, let's go back to the settings, IME tools, then wait, then we have topics, then we have bottom navigation, we have done that. Okay, let's go to the main menu, then head over to these shortcut items. Those are the shortcut items, those are the features. We can adjust according to what we want. Then this is the profile, we have the profile mark, then we have the show data, then ID type. Okay, so the ID type, you can choose Telegram API or bot API, or we can disable it. Then we have a chart, these are the chart settings, multi-panel chart, we can turn it on or off. We can jump to next chart, we can multi-reply, we can, all these are available. Okay, so let's go to the messages, we can include the translator. Okay, so translation for greeting in bots and translation in outgoing messages. Right, we have send messages, we can send without sound, we can enable this option. We can send without sound, we can send with sound, we can combine messages. All right, let's head over to, we can enable wide posts in channels, we can allow forwards counter in channels, we can auto open forwarding options, we can enable colored replies, we can add bookmarks button in channels, we can full screen button. Now we have the transcription provider, we have text to voice, this is premium transcription provider, it's IME premium. Then there is also Telegram premium. In case you've subscribed to Telegram premium, then you will have access to it. Then we have the formatting panel, we have the alternative web and alternative keyboard. Okay, so let's head over to reactions and buttons. For outgoing messages, reactions, we can enable reactions or disable. So we also have the outgoing messages and all that. So we also have the confirmation, calls. If you're making a call, it has to be confirmed. Deleting cloud chat, it has to be confirmed. GIF preview, we can enable it still or disable. Then sticker preview, we can enable or disable. Then voice recording without hold, can enable it or disable. Then video recording without hold, can enable or disable. Then camera for video messages, can ask either front or back. Then synchronization, we can enable or disable. Then IME, these are the premium features. We have the profile mark. Okay, so we can select basing on our interests. Then we have the advanced AI access. This is a bot. This is the IME AI. So this is the AI bot. So it's your AI assistant. You can ask it anything. Right, then we have messages filter. We can add or filter out in case someone sends you the weird words, weird statements that you don't like to see. This can filter out and you will not see them. Then we have passcode in chats. We can select the chat and enable the passcode. Any chat that we want, enable the passcode for, it will be enabled. Right, let's go back. Then we have the stories options. We can enable stories or disable. Then we have the app icon. We can change the app icon to any that we feel like. We can maybe select this. after changing the app icon, you go back and reselect your app. iMe's right there. Okay, then real-time translation, we can change it. Text to voice, it's right there. Those are the settings you can change. Then IMEI, summary for button, AI button in message field, which is okay. Sometimes you want to use AI, you don't have to go back, you just have to apply AI in maybe your chats or something. Then synchronization, yeah, obviously it's enabled. Alright, then these are the Telegram premium settings. Telegram premium stickers enabled. Then profile badge, you can enable or disable. Then animated profile pictures, you can enable or disable. Then emoji statuses. Then this is iMe Premium. So these are the premium packages that we looked at earlier. So there we have it. So let's go to the AI as I promised you. Let's go to this AI icon. So we're gonna chat with this iMe AI bot to see how it responds. The smartest models are ChatGPT 5.6, Tara, Cloud. So how to solve the Telegram SMS fee problem is just a matter of logging in using your when you log in, Telegram will send the code to your other Telegram device. Make sure that you have a Telegram active device. Give this video a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.